If you like a light, flaky, sugary cookie, this Palmier cookie recipe is for you. Thaw out some puff pastry, get some sugar, a little bit of water, a silicone baking mat on a sheet tray, and you're gonna roll the dough out in sugar. Just roll it one direction about 1 1/3 times as long as it is. After I fold the dough to the middle, you'll see that I brush a little bit of water on at this part. And then I'll fold it together and I'll use the rolling pin just to press on a little bit to keep that stuck together where the water is. Then I slice them and put them on a silicone mat on a sheet tray, and I push down about halfway through at the bottom of the V. And I sprinkle them with sugar and bake them for a total of 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Halfway through, you'll remove them from the oven, sprinkle them with some sugar, flip them, and put them back in the oven. I waited to flip the second sheet tray a little bit longer. This is the way I like them, nice and caramelized. And you know, when you have different colored ones, it's nice on the tray too. It looks cool, and everybody can get the one that they like. I'm going to serve mine with almonds on this gorgeous nesting 2-piece set of oyster-based serving platters from Lennox. Enjoy.